First, we do a video. These are the juice recipes. You want to transcribe this down below, you're going to get hella brownie points from your boy DTM. Check it out. We got carrot, apple, beet, ginger, lemon, and cucumber for the deep red. That's a liver cleanser. This here is just purple sugar cane. This is coconut water. This one here is mandarin, tangelo, orange, and tangerine. Can you dig it? This one is straight up green, is cucumber. This is the lemon ginger blast with apple, lemon, celery, cucumber, ginger, turmeric, fennel, arugula, dandelion, mint, and habanero. That's this bad boy. Then over here we got the watermelon with lime. This is straight up OJ. This one is the master cleanser, which is honey, lemon, and distilled water. This here is the green sugar cane. This one here is celery, cucumber, kale, cilantro, dill, and lemon. And then this is a repeat of the beet juice. And then this one here, this is the ultimate coconut milk, which is coconut meat, coconut water, Life Essentials, and Paradigm Natural Protein. Can you dig it? Check it out, baby. Little photo shoot just for y'all. Love ya. Enjoy the juices, man. Get hydrated to stay motivated, and then get your butt outside and have a good time. Play in the sun, play in the snow, play in the rain, play in the wind, play in the rivers, play in the ocean. Can you dig it? Play in the deserts, play in the sand. Go outside and play. Get highly jacked up on these juices and get that nourishment, nutriment, energy, hydration, minerals, vitamins, liquid living water come to life again. Your brain starts firing on all 8 cylinders and you feel good, and you go out in the play, and then the weight just falls right off you. The daily juicing habit is a great habit which calibrates your gut for getting healthier, healthier, healthier. Eat real food, go out and exercise, and get to bed early. God bless you all. Peace be with you. Thank you very much for putting up with my craziness. Love ya. Bye-bye.